In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add border in Canva. We'll walk through two simple ways to get clean. Professional borders, one using shapes for classic frames and another for outlining photos and images for that polished pop. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can see the page or slide you want to edit. Once you are in, we'll create a traditional border using a shape. Head to the Elements panel and choose a basic shape like a rectangle or a circle. Drop it onto your canvas and size it roughly where you want the border to appear. Now, set the fill to no color, so you are only working with the outline. You can do that by clicking the color tile and selecting the transparent or no color option. The icon usually shows a white square with a red slash. With the shape selected, look at the top toolbar and click the border style icon, which sits next to the color controls. Here, you can adjust the thickness to make your border thin and subtle or bold and eye-catching. If you are using a rectangle, you'll also see corner rounding. Slide that to soften the corners or keep them sharp. Then pick your border color. Neutral tones work for understated frames, while a brand color can help everything feel consistent. If you want the border to hug the edges of your design, simply drag the shape's handles to line it up with the canvas. Keeping an eye on Canva's smart guides for clean alignment. Now let's outline photos or images without adding a separate shape. Click the image you want to outline, then choose Edit Photo. In the Effects panel, open Shadows and select Outline. Canva will place an outline around the image content automatically. Use the size slider to control how thick the outline appears. You can change the color to match your palette and adjust transparency and blur for either a crisp, graphic edge or a softer glow. If you are going for a sticker look, a solid color with low blur works great. Review the preview and confirm the effect when you are happy with it. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.